Hey y'all, so look, I went to Michael's today because I was going to use the gift card my husband gave me. Wasn't that sweet? $40 gift card to Michael's. I was happy, girl. And I've been wanting this one thing, and now I'm going to open it up with y'all. We're going to do like a little unboxing and see how it works. I've been wanting one of these so bad. I used my 50% off coupon. I paid like, I want to say like $21 and some change. So look, as you can see, I have not even opened this yet. Hold on. There we go. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. Oh! Wrapped up in some plastic. Let's get that off. Look, so cute. Okay. Let's, okay. Hold on. What, baby?
I'm done my milk.
Okay, go sit on the table. I'll get it in a minute, okay? That was my youngest. Okay, so we've got this. Okay, over here that I like to use sometimes to put in my planner and write notes on it, because I like to write on pretty paper. Okay, so we're gonna take this stock paper and we're gonna put it right in here, and just make sure, you know, you can tell it's kind of even. It's perfect. Okay, now let's see how it does in the planner, because that's the I need extender rings, y'all, seriously. Okay. Perfect. Look at there. Perfect. You can laminate these, make stuff with them, be really, really neat. Okay. Well, looks like that works great. And then look, here's your little stuff that comes out. So you empty it just like that and stick it back up in there. So, yes, the MAMBI Happy Planner Big Hole Punch. I think they might call it the Grand. Is that what they call it? Yeah. Well, yeah. Big Grand. It is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So, and I can tell you the difference in the classic blue one and the pink big one is the, look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These have 11 hole punches, and the classic has 9. So, great little thing here. I can't wait to start using it. I was actually doing it myself with the hole punch and then cutting little slits in the, oh, it was just yay. I'm so glad to have this now. Okay, well, thank y'all for watching the video. Hope it was helpful. If you have any other questions you would like to know about it, please just put it in the comments below. I will be glad to check it out and see if I can answer it for you. So that's going to be all for tonight. Y'all have a great night. Have a great Sunday tomorrow. And we'll catch you on the flip side.